With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question says, in figure 6.38, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to point E and D respectively. If bisectors BO and CO, CBE and BCD respectively meet at point O, then prove that angle BOC is equals to 90 degree minus half of angle BAC. That is, you can see here. So this is given to us. This is the figure. So this ABC is a triangle, and we have given that BO is bisector of this. So that means this angle, that is angle EBO, is equals to angle CBO, and angle D and CO is also the bisector of the angle BCD. So therefore this angle is equals to this angle, that is BCO is equals to DCO. So now what we have to do is we need to prove that angle BOC, that is this angle, is equals to half of angle BAC. 90 degrees minus half of angle BAC. So for doing this, we will say we'll first let these angles in the triangle ABC be X, Y and Z. So this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. So I have let these three angles as X, Y and Z. Now if you see, now first of all it is given that since BO is bisector, BO is bisector of CBE, angle CBE, therefore angle EBO is equals to angle CBO, which is equals to half of angle CBE. This is because it is given that it is bisector, so these two angles will be half of this. And similarly CO is bisector of angle BCD. So angle BCO is equals to angle DCO is equals to half of angle BCD. Now these are the two results. Now it is given that, now we know that CB is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. So since CBE, angle CBE is exterior angle of triangle ABC, therefore the two opposite angles, that is this X and Z, will be equal to the sum. So that means that is angle CBE will be equal to the sum of our two opposite angles, that are X and Z. So X plus Z. So this is here. And similarly we have BCD. So that is also an exterior angle. So similarly angle BCD is also an exterior angle of triangle ABC. So angle BCD, now angles opposite to angle BCD, that is Z, are X and Y. So this will be equal to X plus Y. Now this is a property of a triangle when the exterior one of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite angles. So this is what we have. Now one more thing before we move on, you can see now in triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, according to the angle sum property, now X plus Y plus Z will be equal to 180 degree because of angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property, you can see the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So X plus Y plus Z is equals to 180 degree. Now we move on to in triangle BOC. What we have is, again using the angle sum property, what we get is that angle BOC plus angle BCO plus angle CBO will be equal to 180 degree angle sum property. So now if you see, now BCO is half of BCD and CBO is half of CBE. So angle BOC will remain as it is. BCO is half of angle BCE and CBO is half of angle and CBO, this is BCD. This is BCD and this is CBE. This is equals to 180 degree. So from here, now we'll put the values of BCD and CBE that we got from here. So angle BOC plus, now I will take half common from here. So half common. So BCD is equals to x plus y and CBE is equals to x plus z. So this will be x plus y plus this will be x plus z is equals to 180 degree. So from here angle BOC plus, now if you see we have x, y and z here. If you take this x on the right hand side, bring z here. So x, y, z and x, y, z is equals to 180 degree. So we can simply write it as half of 180 degree plus x is equals to 180 degree. So from here now we'll open up these brackets. So angle BOC plus, now half of 180 degrees is 90 degrees and x by, this will remain as x by 2 is equals to 180 degree. So we'll take this 90 degree term and x by 2 on the right hand side. So angle BOC is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus x by 2, because they will become negative on changing the sides of the equal to. So angle BOC, now 180 degree minus 90 degrees is 90 degrees minus x by 2, that is half of, now x, if you see angle x is nothing but angle BAC. So this is angle BAC. So with this we have proved the what was asked to us in the question, that is BOC is equals to 90 degree minus half of BAC. So therefore with this we finish the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.